Isn't that a beautiful snowfall projector light? The light that you just saw is from Onewell. They call it the Snowflower lamp. It's an LED snowfall projector light. So I'm just going to go through a really quick rundown of the product and then show you some more footage of the light in operation, both indoors and outdoors. There's an instruction, I don't know if you'd call it a manual. It's 4 pages. So this light is waterproof to IP65, so it can be used indoors or outdoors. Here's a look at the remote control, which is battery operated, and it does come with the battery already installed. So this plugs into your outlet, wall, or extension cord. Very long lead wire. There are several ways that you can mount this. You can just rest it on a surface as it is now with this plate. And the base has 3 holes where you can use screws to put it on a fence or a house or wherever you want to mount it. Or you can take the base off, screw in. Very easy. Screw in the stake. And you can just plop it in the ground. The manufacturer recommends for best results, you place this 12 to 16 feet away from the surface that you want lit. So I'm here in my family room, and I've got the Christmas tree up, but I don't have everything decorated yet. This is really a pretty effect indoors. I do have some light on. Let me see what happens when I make it a little darker. Alexa, turn family room 2 off. Okay. So now that's really pretty. Now I'm going to try the pushing the flash button. It's a nice effect. And I'm going to hit the motor button to freeze the snowflakes. Hit it again. Let me see. It's a little dark in here. There we go. Alexa, turn family room 2 on. Okay. So you can see, even with some light in the room, you know, it doesn't have to be completely dark to get a good effect. Let me see if I can take a better look at the ceiling. Move the camera up. So that is very pretty. Freeze. And hit the flash. Alexa, turn family room 2 off. Okay. So there it is, a little darker. Very pretty. Oh, there we go. That's a nice flash. I mean, this illuminates the entire room. Wall, ceiling, floor. I'm not sure what the dimensions are of this room, but it's a medium size family room. So I'm going to brave the cold and take this outside. See what it looks out like against the house. Really getting in the holiday spirit now. Okay, so of course it's very dark out here. It's hard to see the remote, but I just hit the button that causes the motion to stop. I guess, okay, now that's speeding up. Slowing down. And there it stopped. And slow snowfall. Rapid snowfall. Let's see if I can find the flash button here in the dark. Okay, flash. This is a very nice effect. When some of these projector lights have patterns, you know, Santa Claus, Christmas trees, whatever. And sometimes they're hard to distinguish when you don't have a completely flat surface. If you have a porch or anything other than a flat surface, you're not going to be able to make out the design. So that's what's nice about the snowflake. And I have it, I'm not great at judging distance. Maybe 15 feet from the front of the front porch. Be nice up against some evergreen trees, or any kind of holiday decorations in the yard. So that's the LED Snowfall Projector Light from Onewell. If you check the description section below, there'll be a link to the product as well as more information about the product, links to our social media. Thanks for watching.